Plastic in our oceans today is a huge problem. It's harming wildlife, it's polluting ecosystems, it's even ending up on our plates. And we need to take action about this, and now. IKEA is determined to have a positive impact and to take responsibility in the areas we can make a difference. In addition to phasing out single-use plastic products, we want to turn plastic waste into a material for the future. We believe in working together with other organisations and companies, we can create a scalable demand for this material, making sure we put it into our products and keep it out of our oceans. In this project, we're collaborating with Sequel. It's an initiative that works together with fishermen, communities and others in Spain and in other countries to collect marine litter, taking hands-on action to address this problem. Everyone can play a role in preventing plastic going into our oceans. And for IKEA, the journey has only just begun.
Soy Josep María Viñas, este es mi barco, soy de Blanes, de la Costa Brava. Llevo toda la vida en el mar, más de 40 años, soy la cuarta generación de pescadores. Desde los principios ahora ha cambiado la cosa porque cada vez cogemos más plásticos y basura humana. Hay zonas cerca de la costa donde podemos llegar a coger la misma cantidad de plásticos que de pescado. Esto evidentemente supone un problema para el ecosistema y un problema para nuestra economía. Y ver que este proyecto hace que el trabajo que nosotros hacemos de recoger sirve para algo y se le puede dar una nueva vida, esto nos satisface.
We have decided to design a bag in this collection because in a way we are inviting people to don't use more plastic bags. We are using textile to produce all of the products of this family. This textile is 100% recycled polyester. It's a very good quality, and the nicest thing is that we are taking waste from the sea to produce part of this polyester. When it comes to the colors, we have been using different types of greens, like the sea has different types of greens and blue. And then when it comes to the pattern itself, we wanted to do something more modern, and we have been using the squares, the triangles, the circles, and also again we wanted to link it to the sea where the raw material comes from, so we have simplified this head of a fish. In a way, I'm very happy that I'm involved in this project. It makes me feel very proud that I can be part of the solution.